Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two CRM platforms and marketing automation solutions, LionDesk and Wise Agent. First we'll go through some pros and cons, then I'll tell you something more about these two products, we'll go through pricing plans, and at the end we'll try to decide which one is better, at least in my opinion. So LionDesk is an integrated CRM platform and marketing automation solution that helps enterprises grow their businesses. Besides organizing the client contacts, it also features an automatic client communication module of its own. Users can receive reminders for their important tasks and develop multi-channel campaigns with this platform. Organizations can use LionDesk to streamline their transaction process beside managing an improved communication flow. Contact management module offered by the software help business houses with lead source monitoring, hot or cold client detection, besides sellers and buyers tracking. Users can also import leads from their existing sources like Trulia, Zillow, Realtor.com, and more. Businesses houses can forward automatic text, calls, and emails to individual leads and monitor the conversations from time to time. Moreover, detailed results offered by LionDesk help enterprises monitor the open and click rates of generated emails. The platform supports easy integrations with other applications, ensuring more flexibility. The support works only online, and the LionDesk is made for all kinds of businesses, small, medium, and large. Also, it's compatible with Android and iOS as well. When we go and check the pricing plans, which are not present, I believe, in this website, but let's check it out. It's a Starter, Pro Plus, and Elite. It's built annually or monthly, obviously. Yearly you will save more money. Then you can also use free agent or free how can I say it, trial. So you can find out which one is better. And even though you want to go through some trying, it's not a lot. Actually, it's not a big of a investment if you want to try the starter pack. So about Wise Agent. Wise Agent is a customer relationship management software for real estate businesses. It can be used for seamless management of transactions, organization of client information, and to facilitate automated smart marketing campaigns. Contact management module within Wise Agent maintains lists of all prospects, customers, leads, etc., and makes the data retrievable at any time of the day. Social data from subscribers' emails get captured by the wide variety of tools within Wise Agent. Businesses can set separate rules for seamless management of individual leads. Managers can get access to detailed reports comprising the status of individual sales on a monthly, quarterly, and yearly basis. The software acts as a hub for landing pages that can be customized as per business needs. Clients can utilize their assigned landing page or choose to work on their own domain. A synchronized appointment planner with the software regulates all events and appointment-related goals. Users can share their online calendars with vendors or clients and send on-time alerts. This one is very nice for, as I said, real estate businesses. So I see that to be the biggest difference between those two, where LionDesk is more CRM, where you can connect and communicate. The Wise Agent is more towards all the insurances and also communication with the customers of estate or real estate agency. You can try the 14-day trial, and when we check the pricing, we will see that it's monthly or annually or custom. So basically it's only one plan, or if you're a big enterprise you can go with a custom one, but it's completely up to you. So there's not much of a difference, and you will see that in that try mode or in the trial version, if this one's for you. But if you're, at the end, I would say that if you're into real estate, the Wise Agent is the perfect one for you, and you should not look any further. But if you need something more than just real estate, the LionDesk will win with their features. So if you have any more questions, please leave them underneath this video. If you like the video, press a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.